Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes. Yes. How are you? How was your weekend? Sorry.
Weekend was
the-
very productive, and although I was
yeah.
not able to communicate with you, but the weekend was
Yeah.
very good. Enjoyed the birthday celebrations was going on actually, so it was a
Well,
wonderful weekend with the family.
that's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's good. Wonderful.
So how are
Okay.
the
So
things in your end?
yeah. So I'm trying to put your request. Already I've sent to you through your email.
Okay.
I've sent a summary of our profile about Zandris Foundation.
Okay.
I've also forwarded to you an update of our agricultural proceeds,
Mm-hmm.
and yes, and also a brochure
Okay.
to showcase of our engagement with women
Mm-hmm.
in yes in livelihood, etc., and also in support in the area of healthcare
Mm-hmm.
and supporting these disabilities, etc., and also education.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have a summary of it.
Wonderful. Let me review all of that, and then
Yes.
I think based on that, I will develop the joint venture agreement between
Mhm.
Zendris and Sam Stickwelma Global, and
Yes.
we basically move forward with execution
Mhm.
of the plan, basically. And I think with your organization, I believe we can cover the whole of Sierra Leone, because
Sure.
there is no issue in
Sure.
actually doing it. So we will be
Yes.
then establishing the linkages with all the
Yes.
university campuses, so that's a starting
Yes.
point. And the one
Yes.
closest to you, and the model
Yeah.
is this now, Carlos, that we
Yeah.
will be building a 23-story, 110 homes,
Mhm.
self-sustaining community. That's a model.
Okay.
Okay, that's a unit.
Okay.
And that we
Okay.
will build wherever you can give me, say, 1 acre land, that will be ideal. But even in
Okay.
if some colleges and some schools, we have 1,000 square meter land, I can build this 23-story self-sustaining community in that site.
Okay.
But that's
Okay.
this is the smallest unit which we can begin
Mhm.
with, and then we'll keep on duplicating these units.
That's wonderful. I want to right away assure you that you will have the 7 acre land you're requesting now.
Okay,
It will be there. Yes,
wonderful.
it will be there.
Just
Yes.
share the site details, so then I can
Yes.
plan the whole activity on that 7 acres which is available to
Mhm.
you with your organization.
Okay, so can you give me a moment just
Okay, sure.
yes. Based on the request for the number of acres of land,
Okay,
um, that's why I ask you to pause a little bit. My CEO, my boss is coming.
okay,
He asked me to, yes, asked me to give him between 5 and 7 minutes. He will be here.
okay,
But I want to pretty sure and assure you that the land is available
okay, wonderful.
for for
Now,
green revolution,
can
for
we can
education.
we can we pause, Carlos, and resume the
Yeah,
meeting in 10 minutes?
that's fine.
Okay,
That's
so
good.
I will
That's good.
put this thing on a pause. We will continue in the
Okay.
same link. Okay, I will pause
Yes,
for 10 minutes and then we will continue. So I can actually give
that's
a presentation to our community
okay.
development foundation is asking me to be
Okay.
there on the video call.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
all
you.
right.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
that's fine.
Okay, Carlos, I'm back.
Welcome, Doctor.
Welcome. Good morning or good
Yeah,
afternoon,
yeah.
wherever.
This
Good
was
afternoon,
actually
nine.
parallel processing. We are doing a very similar
Oh,
project in one of the provinces of Pakistan, and the team was out there asking me questions as to how to execute this. So I was exactly explaining the same thing to them, that our model is 110 home sustainable community. we can build this community in 1,000 square meter area minimum. Okay. And if the whole area of 7 acre is available, we can build multiple of these communities. And then in the center, it will be a university campus and an agri-business park and everything. So that way, as the more land is available, we can keep on expanding it. But the unit is 110 home, 23 story, sustainable community.
Yeah. Okay. So can I please introduce my boss here?
Sure thing, sir. Welcome.
Okay, Dr. Mufadal, this is my boss. His name is Mr. Ahmed Idris Fofana.
Alhamdulillah, Brother Ahmad. I saw your profile in the profile shared by Carlos, and I'm really impressed by the work which you are doing over there, and hopefully, we want to really Pakistan, 200 million people. Okay.
Okay.
And the question I was being asked by Mariam was that we are enrolling 2 billion mothers. So what is the proportion of, my role? How many mothers I have to enroll? So I said, well, calculate 200 million people are there in Pakistan. Okay. And 2 billion mothers are there globally. So based on the population of Pakistan, 200 million, you calculate how many mothers you need to enroll. In a similar way, there are only 8 million people in Sierra Leone. Okay.
Yes.
And it is very easy to do this project in Sierra Leone as compared to Pakistan, because it's a small country.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yes.
And that's it. And I think we duplicate and we can do it very fast. And like I was mentioning to these guys that, okay, I want to give this a Christmas gift, to all the mothers there. That's fine. Your quality of life will be improved. You will be actually raising your sleeves and actually building this yourself.
Yes. We're ready.
Because everybody is raising their sleeves and nobody is sitting with the suit and tie in the office. Everybody is out there in the field doing it.
That's right.
Okay. And all our professors and experts, from everywhere in the world, because, my inventor is sitting in Vietnam. I've got professors in USA as well as in Canada, but any help you need, just in time assistance will be available to you in terms of moving forward with the project.
Okay.
And based on the urgent need of healthcare, the first thing which we will build is make sure that in this 110 home community, the first thing will be the healthcare center.
Okay.
So we can urgently take care of the healthcare issues of Sierra Leone.
Okay.
And then, the whole building will be built in parallel. Okay. So everybody can then, participate. And since we are using agile engineering and the current best technology of doing rapid housing, so those technologies will be, implemented over there in collaboration with a local university. So we have got all the engineers and everything which we need from the university is available to us. And the first thing which we build is at the university campus. This is my model. And then after it is built on the university campus, then we will duplicate that model in our 7 acres.
Okay.
That will be the best way of, moving forward.
Okay.
That's it. So identify a university campus, work with the, all the engineers and all the professionals who are part of the university in that university campus. We will enroll them into our Gemba program. And those students will start building this first climate smart entrepreneurship department and 110 home self-sustaining community.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes.
So that's a model. And like I said, which we discussed previously, that, in order for us to implement the whole program with zero waste, virtual as well as physical waste, we need to make sure that everybody is enrolled in TQLMA Club with 1 PGC. Okay. 1 PGC means that it is $2 Canadian. Okay. So everybody is enrolled. Even if the people who doesn't have, or mothers, and every Sierra Leonean who doesn't have 2 PGC, brother, Idris is going to provide them Kardan Hasana. But everybody should be enrolled, okay, in the program.
Yes, you can we just reiterate what you were saying that
right? That is our model, okay? And our financial model is this, that we always offer Kardan Hasana, which is interest-free loan, to anyone who needs it. Okay, so all the TQLMA club members will be eligible to get this Kardan Hasana, from us, from our SAM's Climate Smart Fund, for whatever their need is. Okay, and then they will be able to, after their need is satisfied, they want to get married or they want to acquire education or whatever their need is, we will support them through Kardan Hasana. And after their need is satisfied, then they are able, they will be paying it back. And they will be paying it back just in time, because all of these people will be working in our Wheel of Life Farm School. So they are all part of the family, and already people who are unemployed will have the employment basically. So I'm not calling it employment, but they are working as an associate. And when they work as an associate, they will be getting the profits. As we discussed, 72% of the net profits will be distributed to the citizens of Sierra Leone. Okay, 7% of the fund goes to your foundation, for doing all the, for the Kardan Hasana fund. So we can award them the Kardan Hasana. And then among us, 28% is for the operators. Okay, like you are the operator, Brother Idris is the operator. We need to run the foundation also, right? Our business.
Yes.
21% is shared among us. 10.5% goes to you, 10.5% comes to my company, SAM's TQLMA Global. So that's how the whole model will work.
Okay.
Okay, so very straightforward. And idea is, like I was explaining to these guys, please come out of your boardrooms, roll up your sleeves, build something and show it to the people.
That's true.
That's the way to do it. You see, that is a way to demonstrate that, okay, and then, and the most important thing, Carlos and Brother Idris, is this, that if you have to give this message to every Sierra Leonean, would you like to become like me? Okay, and nobody would say no to it, okay? Everybody would love to become Carlos and Brother Idris, okay? Because they are helping the people out. Nobody would like to become like your president who is not doing it.
No.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's right.
Nobody would like to become like your corrupt president who doesn't help the people.
No.
Yeah.
Okay? So we want to make sure that, we give the models to the people. Like I was talking about the same thing to my gemologist, David, who is in Freetown. He's a gemologist, okay? He's a gem and diamond and gold expert, okay? So I was talking to David and I said, okay, David, how many Sierra Leoneans would love to become like you? And he says, everyone. So I said, it's a good thing, man. Easy for you. Just tell them that you join the TQLMA club, I'll make you like myself. Gemologist is a very respected people, I mean, they are the gold and diamond expert. And you can definitely meet David also, he's in Freetown. He's running the company Diamond Center Sierra Leone. Okay?
Okay.
He's also our joint venture partner. We already signed the partnership with him. And he's going to be providing training to mothers in building the jewelry, gem, and because he's the expert of, gold jewelry making and stuff like that. So we will be actually setting up our jewelry making department also in the Wheel of Life Farm School. And he's going to be training the mothers in making the jewelry right there in Sierra Leone with our diamond and gold, which is available there. And then we export the jewelry, not the rough diamonds and door gold.
Okay.
So that is the whole model, okay? Do everything in a self-sustaining way and make the jewelry which is better than Dubai.
Okay. So
that way, the more revenue will come to Sierra Leone.
Okay. So can we ask now?
Okay.
So this is a lovely project, profound. We know it has a sustainability
Mhm.
pathway that we love so much, because what you're doing now, what you're saying is to teach the locals
Yes,
how for them to make things for themselves,
for
so
themselves.
that they be, yes, so
Finish.
that they be themselves. Yes,
And I tell
they
you
will be able to
something.
take care of themselves. Yeah.
I tell you the secret now why I'm doing this. Okay. Why I'm
Mm.
telling that mothers will become a millionaire in 53 months. Okay. Why I'm telling you that?
Mm.
Because I want to make sure that the mothers rule the country. Like Angela Merkel, like
Yes.
that Prime Minister of New Zealand. You know, wonderful
Yes.
young ladies, young mothers. They are corruption free. They want to really do good for the people because that is in the mother's DNA. Once you give a birth to the child, you know, your whole DNA changes. You become a maintainer. Okay. So that is our plan, that once we create these millionaires out there, then one of those ladies will, you know, go out and, you know, become the leader of your country.
Thank you. So based on that, Dr. Mufadal, now you've given us a profile of the entire project.
Okay.
So where are we starting? How
Now,
are we starting?
immediately after we leave this
Yes.
meeting, you go
Yes.
to the campus, select the
Yes.
university which is closest to you, go and meet the professors of the you know, business department and everybody, leadership team, the owner of the university, the decision makers, and tell them that I want to do this project. Do you have, I will give you good food for your students. I will enroll international students into your program. This is all the services which we provide, our company, SAMS TQLMA Global Sierra Leone, and you and Brother Idris can become a founding director of the company. So we have our own for-profit company already incorporated over there. We try to work and do a meeting in parallel with SLIPA. Go to SLIPA and tell them that we want incentives which are better than Startup New York program. So we can bring in all the foreign direct investment into our country. We negotiate that with SLIPA.
Yes.
So that way we have our own company with our own bank account and everything, for-profit company established. You already have your, you know, Kendress Foundation with bank account and everything already there, you know. So in that way, we don't even have to worry about doing a joint venture agreements, because now you are part of the, you know, our main company also, which is supporting the whole project.
Because that was my next question. So this university, are we contacted? Is it for partnership, relation,
No.
what?
This is exactly, Brother Idris, I'm talking about. You tell them that we have a company, okay? Our company, SAMS TQLMA Global Sierra Leone, is going to be providing you with students. What do you need from us? We are a corporate partner, okay?
Okay.
We are the corporate partner, and we would like to help, you know, your students and help the university out so that our university can operate as per the climate smart standard, okay, which is being now implemented in USA and Canada. And you will be collaborating with our Canadian and USA university so that we can provide the same level of education, same quality of education in our universities also. So we would like to help you
All
out.
right. Because right now, where we operating, we do have a Canadian university there that
Okay.
has been sponsored. That has been sponsored through the Canadian government. I do believe
Wonderful,
that.
wonderful. We work with them.
They're doing a lot of IT programs, information technologies, and something like that.
Okay.
So
okay.
It's been going really big. It's been sponsored by the Canadian government, and that's
fantastic. Now I think that's
the
a very, Brother Idris, that's a very good news, because the first climate smart department we will build in that Canadian university.
And as I'm speaking, I have a vast land Actually, we bordered with the Canadian university. I have a vast land there that I actually own myself. And
Wonderful.
when you go about half a mile from the Canadian university, I also have about almost close about 10 acres.
Wonderful.
Around that area. And it's a very growing district in the country.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So I think
So
now
that
with
is-
that data, the first climate smart entrepreneurship department we will build with that in that Canadian university campus. And then we will tell them that, okay, we are going to build in collaboration with you, we are also going to be building in your 10-acre site a climate smart industrial park.
Okay.
So that was linked. Okay. And then both the models can be immediately can be executed. And all the people from Canada would love to, become part of it also.
I think the interlink is good.
Yeah.
Is good since we have this kind of encouragement. So we start from there. That's what he asked us to do, for us to go and talk to the.
So
Canadian
brother Idris, now
yes.
I'm talking about sequential steps, okay? Based on all the developments. The first thing you do is incorporate the company, okay? Sam's TQLMA Global Sierra Leone as a foreign direct investment company in collaboration with SLIPA. Tell them that we are bringing in all this investment from Canada and everywhere else. Give us the better than startup New York incentives. Go and talk to them, incorporate the company with our own bank account and everything over there. And then Sam's TQLMA Global Sierra Leone is going to be signing the contracts with all the university campuses and the Canadian university and everybody. So it's a local company which is doing everything. So nothing is foreign. 100% it becomes self-sustaining.
Okay.
Okay, so do you have like a form to go through what you're saying?
Exactly. Like a bullet points that how we should systematically.
What I will do is I will prepare a document now specifically on Sierra Leone based on this meeting. And then based on that, we will be incorporating our company over there as next steps. And then as we discuss, you give me, provide me the information about this Canadian university, etc. So in your profile and everything based on this meeting, you give me all the data. Based on all the data which you're going to be providing me, I will be preparing that document. And then we move forward according to that, action plan, which I will be developing.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good?
Yeah, it sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Fantastic.
So,
and I love this guy, Carlos, brother Idris. I love this guy, Carlos, because he asks me all the difficult questions.
Yes. Well, that's why he's here.
He has been doing it for last 2 years. Right, Carlos?
Because that's his job to do.
I know. I like him.
Make sure that he get all the pathway is clear because he's actually based here, but I based in the US.
And the other thing, before I forget, the other thing which we need to do is you are linked with the people in Maryland, right?
Yes.
So what we do is we engage the people and a university in Maryland also to become part of the program.
Okay.
So the affiliation is there also with the Maryland people.
Yes.
Okay. And it's good because our office is based in Maryland.
In Maryland. My office for Zaindris is registered in Maryland.
In Maryland, right? That's what I thought. And, because when I was looking at the profile, and the Maryland is there. So Maryland is, an idea is this. Actually, Maryland needs help from Sierra Leone.
Yes.
Because of the COVID-19 issues over there, in United States.
Correct.
Yeah.
So now we are going to be doing the reverse situation. We will be building these, campuses here, and then we will build the same thing in Maryland, and then help everybody over there out. So all the people in United States can recover from this COVID-19 situation, which is spreading widely, wildly, basically, in all the states.
Okay.
So we can do that also. It's a little bit reverse situation, okay?
Yes, exactly. So we need to meet with these professors. We found out the Canadian and all this one. Yes.
Okay, we just need him to give us all the.
He's going to build.
All right, as soon as he build that, then that's what we're actually going to work on.
So yeah, I will immediately work on that document, and then based on that document, we start executing the action plan now, because I think everything which we need is in place. All right.
Yes.
And it's Canada is engaged, United States is already engaged, and then now it will become very easy for us to make Sierra Leone the first model of a climate smart country of Africa.
Okay.
Wonderful.
It can be done very, very fast. We can do it very fast.
Yes.
Yeah, because that was the time I was trying to ask, what is the targeted time or the
Immediately. We actually build our first campus and give them have a Christmas, invite everybody to a Christmas party and a New Year party over there.
Okay.
We can do that.
What is Andres? What is our own responsibility in setting up this right now? What is our responsibility?
It's very simple, brother. I mean, Zendris, you know what their capability, what your capabilities are as an NGO. It is an NGO, right? And I will make sure that all the donations from everywhere in the world comes into our account of Zendris.
Okay.
In Maryland, in Maryland, I'm talking about, because it is easy to transfer the money from USA into a USA account. Okay, so I will make sure that all the donations comes to Zendris, okay, to do this project in Sierra Leone. And then as a for-profit company, where you, me, and, Carlos is founding director in that sense, TQLMA Sierra Leone, we are in business after that. I mean, that's it. We are done.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Okay, Carlos, so move forward, share all the data and information so that now after this meeting, maybe I will share the recording also of this meeting, okay, with everybody, that this is a meeting, working meeting we had for Sierra Leone. And then you can show and share this recording also with the, authorities in SLIPA and everybody else, with the Canadian University team. So it's be easier, to all the questions will be answered.
Okay, so what's SLIPA?
SLIPA is this, your foreign direct investment, I think Sierra Leone investment board and stuff like that, whatever that.
Okay.
So in terms of, do we have to register the new company or what?
Well, I mean, I think, do you have a for-profit company, Brother Idris, in Sierra Leone now?
Yes.
You have? Okay.
Correct.
We don't need to register a new company. We'll use your for-profit company. We will transform that company in accordance with the SLIPA to a foreign direct investment company. If we can do that, that is good. If we need to incorporate a new company, we will do it. But currently what we will do is this. We use your company because there is no need to reinvent the wheel. If the company exists, exists, I will simply become a director in your company and we move forward.
Okay.
Yes.
That's simpler. That's easier.
Yeah, we are acting multi.
Yeah, multi.
Yes.
Yeah. We are acting multi, like we are for profit and non-for-profit.
Wonderful. So I think this is what we need.
Yeah, so that's all we needed. I don't think we need any.
So you just incorporate me as a director in both Zendris, non-profit, as well as your for-profit organization, and we don't need to do anything else. After that, I will take care of everything.
Okay.
Wonderful. We are moving forward now. No need to do any rework.
Yes.
Okay.
So when are we going to meet next? Since you require this information from the company.
No. I think now everything is done. I don't need to meet again. You simply incorporate me. I will share my profile and share my passport and my details. You incorporate me in Zendris Foundation, as well as your for-profit company as a director. And that's it.
Yeah.
We are all in place. We move forward. We don't need to reinvent any wheel. And later on, if we need to register a company of Sam's TQL Global over there, we will do it if there are benefits of doing it.
Okay.
That's the other business that he's doing.
Okay.
That's what he's doing.
Okay.
I think that would be great.
Yeah, that would be great.
That would be great.
It's easy, right? I mean, there is no need to waste any time, and because Zendris is there in Maryland, right? So if I am a director of Zendris Info who is based in Maryland, USA, it will be easier for me to execute all our projects in USA also.
Yes.
It'll be easier.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, and also, of course, now that we are ready, because right now we are moving fast to the village as well. We have a big project which we will share the pictures with you in the next coming days.
Sure.
On the 19th, we have to meet all our farmers.
Okay.
Our FPOs, want to see what they did for last year.
Okay.
And we just want to meet with them and see what is the way forward, what are our challenges, what we need to improve on, and what we did best for last year.
In that meeting, in that project, all you need to do is sign a joint venture agreement with all the farmers and promise them that whatever profits you did last year, we are going to increase your profit by 10%. Just sign the joint venture agreements with them. We will build the farm school right into that farm, integrate all the climate smart agriculture technology over there, and buy back all the products they are producing.
All right.
That's it.
Very
easy.
Because it's easy.
Yes.
It's easy as we speak it.
Yes.
No, it is easy. Why? Because, we are not entering into any complication. And nobody would say no, that I don't need more 10% more profits.
That's right.
Yes.
Nobody would say no to it. That's it.
Doctor, we just want to inform you that the current farmers that we are working with, we have a joint venture agreement. We have
exactly.
Wonderful. So that is already in place. So all the sites are identified, and we will be just creating these farm schools in all those sites. Very easy.
These farm schools.
That's right.
Yes.
And that will happen in parallel. Okay. That will happen in parallel, because I can produce, according to Dr. Paul Olivier, we have a technology of building 400 homes in one day. So that means that four of these communities can be built with just one machine, which can produce the components to build these homes. So the components will be built, okay, and we start, just assembling all of these units, by mothers and, all our young, children, educated students will do that. Everybody will be involved, in participating in the project.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so all these, now I think it becomes simpler, and I think I'm going to give a good news, and competition will be there, okay, between Pakistan and Sierra Leone. Who does it faster? Okay. And I believe that now it is possible to do it faster in Sierra Leone.
Yeah, we're going to move fast.
Yeah. We can do that. We can do that very easily. There is nobody stopping us from doing it. There's no issue at all.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I will do is I will share the recording of this meeting, and based on the discussion which we have, you start the execution part. And most importantly, everything will be in control in Sierra Leone. As soon as you incorporate me as a director in your Maryland facility, that will give us the bank account and everything to make sure that all the donations, etc., from all my USA partners can start, falling into our account.
Okay.
In Maryland.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Wonderful.
Yes, it's noted. It's noted.
So shall we conclude, or is there any other question, Brother Idris? Brother Carlos?
I think it's all right right now.
Okay.
The only sad news on that, because I'm going to be here for the next 2 months.
Okay.
And
wonderful.
that's the only part that is going to be holding up. to
Wonderful.
incorporate you in
Wonderful.
in Maryland. Yes.
Perfect. Take care of all of that, and then we are ready to move forward. Both in United States, Canada, as well as in USA, and we don't need to work with any other organization.
Okay.
Okay, we will do. I mean, what I'm offering is this: Carlos, you and me will also become Sam Stiekelma Global USA founding director as a startup New York company in USA. Okay, or in Maryland if we are getting the better incentives than USA, as well as we incorporate our company in Canada as a foreign direct investment company. So now, since we are talking about covering all three countries, Sierra Leone, Canada, and USA, so we might as well incorporate our company, Sam Stiekelma Global, not in Sierra Leone, but in USA as a startup New York company, and in Canada as a startup New York company. So now I tell you a good news, okay? If we do this immediately, 1 billion Canadian dollar is available with Rapid Housing Initiative to come into our Zendris info account.
Okay.
You have to just show them that we did it in Sierra Leone and we are going to be building these homes in Canada also. $1 billion, okay? $1 billion will come into our account. That's our target. And December 31st, I think, is a deadline to file for the, these funding with the Canadian government.
All right. We're
All
ready.
right.
We
So
have
now there is another sort of a next step that Zendris Info, Zendris Foundation should also be incorporated in Canada, okay, as well as Sam Stiekelma Global as a foreign direct investment company. We incorporate that in Canada also. In USA, you're already there. We will do Sam Stiekelma Global USA as a startup New York company. And then, we are all set to move forward globally.
Okay. That sounds good.
Sounds good?
We're looking forward to that.
Definitely.
Okay.
So I will share this recording and we start the execution plan, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, Brother Idris. Thank you, Carlos, for asking me more difficult questions. Please ask difficult questions. I like that.
All right.
Okay.
You're welcome. Yes, you're welcome. Yes.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. So yes, on behalf of Zendris Foundation globally, we want to say thank you for everything that you're doing now to ensure that we become strong partners, globally.
Definitely.
Yes, and we want to assure you that we are ready. And for Sierra Leone, we have the resources like the land. So many things. The labor will be there in so many things.
The final note and the final project, okay, which for this meeting is on this holidays, okay, there is a plan for setting up a bubble festival on 21st of December. Okay. So we invite all the dignitaries of Africa, okay, in Freetown, in this bubble festival, where we will be showing what we did between now and the 21st December, so they can come participate in the festival and say, this is a model which we are building in Sierra Leone, and we would like to duplicate this model across Africa. And specifically, I have a project for you, Brother Idris. There are 12 states in the northern part of Nigeria. Currently in big trouble, okay? Today in the news, they have, attacked a school, and I think so many children are missing over there.
Yes.
Today's news, okay? So we want to make sure that that northern part, 12 northern states, becomes the benchmark states of Nigeria and, solve this problem for President Buhari. We can do that.
Okay. So what can we do?
No, what we will do is this. I already have incorporated, I've got a joint venture agreement signed with a company in Nigeria and a foundation in Nigeria. They are in the southern part. They are very scared of going into the northern part. So we will tell them that, okay, we work with Zendesk Foundation, and we will now take on the northern states and do this duplication, what we are doing in Sierra Leone, we will duplicate that in Nigeria also.
Wow, okay.
So the meeting on the 24th, what's the location
21st.
on that?
21st is a festival celebration, basically. And I will put you, in that WhatsApp group, Carlos, of Bubble Festival. Yes. Okay. So we will actually plan the Bubble Festival in Sierra Leone also on 21st December.
Okay, so you are saying we're going to organize that one?
Yeah, we'll organize because we are already working on it. We are building these, farm schools ourselves. So it will become part of the Bubble Festival also. We demonstrate and held the Bubble Festival in the Canadian University, okay? So it will be a university project. University students will do it.
Okay.
Okay.
So what constitutes within this festival?
Well, Bubble Festival was actually to demonstrate our technology, which we are building, okay? In this, because we are using soap bubbles to build, our envelopes. So this is part of our technology, construction technology. And we wanted to demonstrate our construction technology to everyone by inviting everyone into this soap bubble festival. That's why the soap bubble name, because we are using soap bubbles as one of the key component of our technology. So since we are building this whole envelope, this 21, 23 story building, which we will build, will be enclosed in a sort of a envelope, which we'll call it a plastic envelope, in which the soap bubbles will actually do all the insulation and everything. It's a fantastic technology developed by Richard Nelson, and we will actually be demonstrating it.
My boss is just acknowledging that. He said he has seen that.
Yes, I was talking to a company before in doing that when I was trying to build the university in my village. And that's one of the, they said that's the cheapest way you can actually construct something. They look like mobile homes.
Exactly.
But they're not mobile.
Exactly. They are actually fantastic in invention. And this invention is actually a Canadian invention. So the Canadian University would love to do it,
Those on that, how that works.
Okay. So that's where we will be the first one to build this thing and, invite everyone from Canada, USA, and from the world will come to attend the December 21st Bubble Festival. We invite everybody. Come and join us. See what we did.
So where?
Okay.
Where is the location? Where is the location?
No. I mean, we will do it in Canadian University, which you are mentioning.
Oh, okay. In 91. Okay.
Yeah. It's easy, right? Canadian University campus. We actually start the project immediately. We will build over there the whole thing. Okay. And we start the planning today. I will make you the WhatsApp group member, Carlos, of that Bubble Festival group. And then we start the planning process. Okay.
Okay.
All the technology, everything will be coming down there. The whole team will come down there. And then we will start the building process right away. Because it can be built very fast.
That's great. That's great.
Okay.
That's great.
So we have done we will be actually leading the Bubble Festival also, which they are planning to do, and we will do it.
We plan to be there around that time.
No, actually, they have a problem. Why I'm telling you it will happen? Because they have a problem in building it now in Canada. So they are hypothetically talking about doing it, virtually. But now we will be physically doing it because we would have already built that, over there. And we invite everybody to see the real thing, not the virtual thing.
Okay.
So that way it will be wonderful. Okay. So we execute that also.
Is that team going to join us here with Zandris to the Canadian University there at Mile 91?
Yeah. I mean, we have to, since we are incorporating our company there, right? And the idea behind doing this project in the Canadian University over here in Sierra Leone is this, that they would like to see, the Canadian government would like to see the demonstration of this technology, which we will be demonstrating in the Canadian University. So that way, we will be able to, we will qualify for that $1 billion rapid housing initiative funding.
Okay.
We'll say, okay, we will
Yeah.
build the same structure everywhere in Canada.
Okay.
Oh,
So with timing.
Okay,
right
so that
now,
is a
today,
plan. That is a master plan.
we're talking about 7 days.
7 days. So we need.
Okay, we need to do it very fast. Engage everybody over there. I will have my team, from Canada flying out there, Richard Nelson's team and everybody. So we start the process immediately. We say we are ready to do it. We are building it.
Okay.
So
Okay, so it's on a war footing.
That's gonna go tomorrow.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But I have a call here that I can speak to. Maybe I have to visit him this evening
That's fine.
and able to explain because he's more closer
Yeah.
with Muksin.
Moxie.
For he's the director for the Canadian,
Okay.
and he's just a village before. After this guy is the director for the Canadian College.
Uh-huh.
Is actually one village separates his village and my village. We actually went to school together.
Oh, wonderful. So I think that is also part of the family then. No issues at all. Fantastic.
Yes.
So let's do this. And idea is very simple. Why I want to do this on the war footings? Because I had a meeting last week with the lady who is leading the Canadian Rapid Housing Initiative. And she said that, okay, we would like to have established NGO who is already working, and not a new one. So now, since if we'll incorporate, we already are in Maryland, we will incorporate our, our NGO, Zendris Foundation in Canada, and then we will invite the Canadian government and all the officials to see and witness our, technology in Sierra Leone. They would love to be there. We'll show them the video and everything. We already did it. So idea is this, that there is a deadline of December 31st to apply for this funding, which is $1 billion available. And I think we qualify for that.
So do you have the form, the application?
No,
The
I will,
proposal.
you will be part of the team now, the Canadian team.
Okay, so I think yeah, we
And Lloyd
will be-
Helferty is the gentleman who is also in that group. So I will make you part of that group. So you work with him. He is my man in Toronto. Okay. Sitting
Okay.
right there, taking care of all the government officials and everything in Toronto. So he will be linking us up with everybody. And then he will be leading basically from the Canadian side to actually invite everybody to Sierra Leone for executing this project in a Canadian, university or a college.
Okay.
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 So I think since the time is
Yeah.
close now for this.
Yeah, it is.
funding
It is.
proposal,
So we want to
we
do it
rather-
really very, very fast, everything. Okay.
Yeah. So you, since you have a vast knowledge around this one,
Mhm.
then what you are saying now, so we can start something, then whatever inputs, then we can be inputting
Right.
something around the proposal.
No,
Yes.
you take care of your part over there, which I'm going to be documenting in the document I will prepare just now based on this
Okay.
meeting. And then you
Okay.
take care of your part, your execution of your part. I will take care of, all the things which I need to do from my part. And
Okay.
Lloyd Helferty is going to be, mobilizing all the resources from Canada. So then we
Okay.
all the resources will be integrated in Sierra Leone and we start, the building process.
Okay.
And just to let you also know, all our guests right here, we also have a mini hotel here that we're running under Zendris as well.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. Wonderful.
So even if we have guests coming, then we
I
have
mean,
a
this
place
is,
for-
I consider this, Carlos, I consider this as a blessing from above, nothing else.
Yes.
I mean, Sierra Leone will be beating the hell out of Canada, USA, and Pakistan,
Yeah.
Yes. No.
in terms of execution, and planning.
We're looking forward to that, and we're going to be patiently waiting for all the information that
Sure,
you're going to send
sure.
us.
I'll send all the details out, and very, very specifically, I will prepare the
Yeah.
document now. Specifically, the title of the document will be Climate Smart Sierra Leone.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be
That would-
preparing that document based on all the discussion which we had today. share the information about your for-profit company also, and all the additional information which I will have. So based on that information, I will be preparing that document, and then we move forward. And this recording will be shared with you. So you have the, you know, the notes of the meeting which we today have. You know, this is like a sort of a board meeting, you know, of SAMS TQLMA Global Sierra Leone.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right, brother.
Yes,
Thank you very much. Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes.